Hello to all my people. I welcome you back to my channel, or rather your channel. Today I will be talking to you about the location and firing order of the cylinders in a 3.0 liter V6 Mercedes Benz C300 from the years 2008 to 2014. Here we have a very clear example of an engine from that vehicle. To know the location and firing order of the cylinders, the first thing we must do is stand in front of the car. We open the hood and look at the front of the engine. The location and order would be as follows. On the left side would be cylinders 1, 2, and 3, and on the right side, cylinders 4, 5, and 6. This location is, as I told you before, when you were standing in front of the engine, this would be your left and this would be your right. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires. This one is on the left side near the radiator. Then, cylinder number 4 would fire. This one is located on the right side, also near the radiator. Then, cylinder number 2 would fire, followed by 5, then 3. This one is also located on the left side near the windshield. And finally, cylinder number 6 would fire. This one is on the right side, also on the windshield side. Knowing the order is important, but checking for faults is key. So check out this video you see on the screen. See you soon.